Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
As someone who is involved in drugs, is that correct?
Yung nahuli po sila noon sa loob ng laboratory.
Okay,
Sa
now just to
Cavite.
make sure now we're talking about the same Michael Yang and Alan Lim. Are these the same Michael Yang and Alan Lim who were prominently figured also in the trips of the former President Duterte? Sila po ba?
Opo, baka po yung mag-ibang picture galing po sa atin, yung mga nakikita nyo picture, galing po sa aking case build-up.
Does the concept have pictures of this, Mr. Chair? Meron ba tayong pictures nito? Of the picture showing Alan Lim and Michael Yang together with the President, the former President?
I think, is this the one that you're
Is this the one that you're referring to, Colonel Asierto?
Wala po akong nakikita.
Wala.
Sorry po.
How about that?
Ayan po, galing po sa akin yan. Meron po akong kopya niya.
So these are the same persons that you're referring to in your report.
Yes po, yes po.
And it is
Walang
this
duda.
report na sinabi mo na sinabmit mo kay former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa.
Opo.
And you also testified na walang nangyari doon sa report na binigay mo.
Wala po, pero namatay po yung dalawang kasama ko at may kaso na po ako ngayon at meron patong sa ulo na 15 million o 10 million.
Yeah, but publicly kasi sinasabi ni President na ayaw niya yung drugs, di ba? That he doesn't want to be associated with anyone who is involved with drugs, di ba? And you're saying that he was together with these two persons na which you included in your report. Would it be possible na the PNP also conducted its own investigation and cleared these two? Si Michael Yang at saka si Alan Lim?
I don't think meron pong proper investigation na ginawa to clear the two. Ang ginawa po is talagang kiniril na po nila kagad without proper investigation. Because if they have conducted a proper investigation, they could vetted my report na may mga attachment na warrant, court record, yung tattoo ni Michael Yang na dragon. So, I don't think they even invited Michael Yang and Alan Lim for interview or inquiry sa PNP saka sa PDEA.
Okay, did you share your report with Wilkins Villanueva? Who was also with PDEA?
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi. So he wasn't aware
Hindi
that you
po.
made such a report?
Hindi po. Kasi during that time, I believe compromise na siya.
Compromise? What do you mean, Colonel Asierto?
He could not be trusted. Hindi ko na po siya pwede pagkatiwalaan ng mga ganyang information.
You can't trust General Villanueva who was working with PDEA at that time?
Opo.
And bakit mo naman nasabi yan, Colonel Asierto? Just to be fair, General Villanueva is here eh. But why would you say that he cannot be trusted?
Alam niyo po, classmate, sabi nga niya, classmate niya, mag-classmate kami. Pero meron po siyang mga, may mga declaration siya na mali. Before pa. May mga kinukwento siyang mali na nakakaabot sa amin. So, hindi ko na siya mapagkakatiwalaan katulad nung nangyari noong 2004 yung sarili namin sa Domoy.
Alright, now, there were also reports that parang nabaliktad na ikaw na yung involved in drugs na lumabas from the PNP. Is that correct?
Opo, kasi nga po, hindi nila kayang i-discredit yung report. Ang discredit nila, yung nagkumuha ng report.
In fact, former President Duterte made public pronouncements as to establishing a reward for your capture ba yun or your death ba? Was that, if I remember it correctly, tama po ba? na he
Opo,
made public pronouncements
binanggit niya
na
po yan sa ano,
may ilang milyon na
Sa
reward
Cotabato.
for you?
10 million po.
10
Pati ang
million.
DOJ, nagsabi ang DOJ, 10 million.
Yeah, and in fact, he also mentioned something like, he was asking, bakit buhay ka pa?
Yes. Opo.
And that was a public pronouncement, is that correct?
Opo. Parang March 26 yata yan o something.
Okay, now, you keep insisting kasi na walang ginawa dun sa report mo, and that Michael Yang and Alan Lim, as far as your investigation is concerned, are involved in drugs. Now, how solid is your investigation? And is it backed by any, siguro, substantial proof din to show na there's actual links between these two persons and the proliferation of illegal drugs?
Based po dun sa ginawa kong report, solid na po yung aking information. Ngayon, kung inaksyonan po sana nila Chief PNP ba to yan sa kanila Aquino at Albayalde, nag-conduct ng further investigation validation. Pero hindi na nga po nangyari yun kasi pinotektahan na kagad ng Malacanang ni Presidente Duterte at ni Bongo. So, hindi ko na po natuloy yung investigation. Kasi po ang laman po ng report ko sana is parang nagre-request ako ng mag-conduct pa ng further case build-up.
But is it the
Hindi nga
fact
ho
that
nangyari.
General Abayalde got in touch with you and talked to you about your report? Di mo ba? Did you mention something like that before?
Ang kumausap po sa akin tungkol sa report ko ay si Director General Aquino ng PIDEA. Si General Bayalde po, hindi niya po ako po ang lumapit sa kanya, nagbigay ng report sa kanya. Pinag-usapan namin yung report, pero wala po nangyari.
So, Abayalde knew of the report? Kasi binigyan mo
Opo,
siya ng copy.
alam niya po.
Aquino,
Pero nung
Aquino knew of the report because he was given a copy by somebody else. Tama ba?
yes, tama po. Ang nagbigay po ng kopya kay General Aquino ay si Director Pardo ng PIDEA.
So, meaning the proper agencies already had a copy of your report, PIDEA and the PNP. Yet nothing came out of these reports.
Opo. Maganda pong tanongin sa kanila kung meron ba silang official copy ng aking report. Yung PNP ngayon po. Tanongin niyo po ang PNP at ang PIDEA kung meron silang official copy na binigay ko kay General Bato sa akin, General Albayalde. Ibinigay ba nila General Bato Albayalde yung report ko sa proper unit ng PNP para i-validate or i-file? O si Director General Aquino, ibinigay ba niyan sa intelligence service ng PIDEA para i-validate or what? Baka wala akong file sa PIDEA saka sa PNP.
Just to be fair po, and para klaro din tayo, is there any possibility that they conducted their own investigation, meaning PIDEA and the PNP, and in their investigation, they found nothing to connect Michael Yang and Alan Lim to the drug trade? Is that also possible?
Possible naman po yan.
So it's also possible.
Apo.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Napakaliit ng possibility po.
Colonel Asierto, you testified earlier na medyo late nyo na na-discover ang involvement ni Michael Yang sa Dumoy raid. Tama po ba?
Opo. April 2016 na po na validate namin ng August 2017.
So, the raid in Dumoy was in 2004, and yung connection ni Michael Yang was only established by you through your investigation in 2016. Is that correct?
Tapos kanina,
Opo. Tama po yan.
Okay, same with Alan Lim, tama po ba?
inopen na natin.
Kaya alam din po, 2003 pa ho, alam ko na po yung nahuli siya doon sa Cavite, 2003.
So 2003 pa, matunog na yung pangalan ni Alan Lim.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Isa ang pananaw sa bagong Pilipinas, ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.